Just recently, I came across with this fellow. Uh, he can be regarded as a blacksmith, though he is not a blacksmith. He uses oxyacetylene flame to do his job. He works in metals, constructing, reassembling, fabricating, correcting, welding, joining. You see what he's doing right here. He does a great deal of metal works, and he does it well. Right now, he's fixing a motorcycle fuel tank that has become bad, constructing, restructuring. Here's another one, a motor vehicle radiator. He's fixing some parts of it, does everything very well. You can see what he's doing. I was just impressed with his job, and I had to take a record of him and showcase what this guy is doing. Can you see him? Right now, he wants to use kind of epoxy, Habro epoxy, 4 minutes epoxy glue. Pay attention to what he's doing. Bringing out from the tube the A, then watch it, watch it, watch it. Can you see him? Bringing out from the second tube the B. Can you see that? Can you see that? Mixing the two together and using it to hold parts together. Fix some minor errors in car parts, motor vehicle, motorcycle, even gasoline generators. He does all this job well. I was just being impressed. Just minor welding, minor pieces of metal welding together. You can see what they are holding here. It's a small metal, and then they had to hold them together with a plier while he applies his oxyacetylene flame. Can you pay attention to what he's doing? Can you see that? That is oxyacetylene flame. It's using to weld parts together. Welds them very well. Can you see that? He does all this thing very well in a very raw and crude manner, and applying advanced equipment and tools sometimes to achieve the results. That is what I just saw, and I was impressed. I said, let me showcase what this man is doing to the world. That is why I took this record. Can you see that small metallic part that is welding together, fabricating some parts? You see some of his apprentices and clients around him while he does the job. So, what do you think, guys? Is he doing well? Does he deserve some praises and commendation? Where are you watching from? Do you have such ones around your neighborhood that does similar job? Let us know from the comments. And don't forget to like and share this video, because by the time you do that, the video will be recommended to others to see. Kindly share the video wide. Let others see what we are seeing here. Let others have a look at it and let them judge what we have seen here, whether it's worth it or not. Alright? So when I got to his workplace, his workshop, I saw so many motorcycle fuel tanks that he has mended, many that he's working on, so on. I saw several pieces, metals also lying around. The motorcycle was being worked on when I got there also. And then this motor car radiator, and then other jobs that this man is actually working on. So what do you think? Is it worth it? Is Still worth some praises and commendation. It's a job, a good job. What do you think? Do you have fellows like these around you? Your similar work? How do you see them? What I know is that our people are very hardworking, and that is what we see from here. Even though they don't have advanced equipment like in the Western world, but they make use of the tools that they can find around them, common tools that they can use to achieve their job. That is what this guy is doing. Do not forget to like and share the video. Right now he started working on the motorcycle fuel tank. Can you see that? If you haven't subscribed to this channel, do not hesitate to do so to get some other interesting and informative videos such as this. And ensure that you turn on the notification bell to get notified when we bring other videos such as this one. You see the guy working meticulously and tirelessly. That is what he does for a living. Bye bye.